Hi, Tom from MarineMax Maryland on Kent Island. Love to show you this brand new 2024 Scout 255 Dorado we just got in from the factory. Beautiful boat, Swiss Army knife of boats. Does a lot of things really well. Starting in the back, we got a swim platform, easy access either side, twin 200 Yamahas, digital electric controls, digital electric steering. Great package in the back. And then coming forward, have your fishing gear, bait well, rod holders, and a ski tow for all your water sports. Hey, moving forward in the 255 Dorado, we've got a great access gate, keep you safe, keep it closed while you're running, but easy access off the swim platform with the swim ladder. Moving forward, you can see I'm in the shaded area. Got a great manual sunshade, comes all the way aft, protect your cushions and keep people in the cool shade. I've got all the seating laid out right now, including the removable table. This really has a living room feel and effect. I love it. My family loves my Dorado. We can all camp out back here, have a meal, relax. But if it's time to go fishing or water sports, we just fold it all up. And now we've got usable space back here. Wonderful design, wonderful layout. Like I said, Swiss Army knife of boats. Moving a little further forward in our 255 Dorado into the more the cockpit area, got a nice big cutting board, freshwater sink, beautiful Corian countertops, stainless steel handholds everywhere, the ubiquitous Yeti cooler that comes with our Scouts. I've now folded up this sunbed. I've brought it to the full forward position to give you even more room in the back, and it's still a seat. It's also got an insulated storage area with a drain, so you can use it as another cooler or as a fish box. Moving a little bit further forward, we've got fantastic storage down in the main bilge area. You could put all sorts of water sport toys in there for storage or anything else. Moving a little bit farther forward toward the helm, we've got a nice trash receptacle that's accessible from either the area in the back or if you're at the helm. Moving into the helm, got an upgraded 12-inch Garmin screen, Fusion stereo, Garmin VHF radio, great storage with plugs to charge your phone, cup holders, again your binnacle for your motors and storage. We do have a receptacle to keep your batteries charged. Great access, very large companion seat here, captain's chair on the port side where you can stand or sit, plenty of room, cup holders. And then moving a little bit further forward, nice big head. Plenty of access there, including the sink to wash your hands afterward. So now I'm up in the bow of the 255 Dorado 2024 model from Scout that we have here at Kent Island. And look at the size, look at all this room in the front. We've got the bow filler cushion installed right now, so it's literally one big sunbed. And it does have armrests that come out either side for those facing forward. We've got cup holders galore. And then up front, we got the Scout windlass stall, stainless steel, wonderful with controls up front to deploy your anchor when necessary. Tons of room up here, very deep. If you look at just how deep these bolsters are, it gives you a very secure feeling for safe boating. This is a wonderful boat. It's here available on Kent Island in Maryland. Love to have you come out and see it and go for a ride.